These are the square wire 2 frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is make sure that your frame is upside down on a solid flat surface. Next, you're going to unscrew the screws that are right here. They're behind the nose pads on the frontal part of the frame. So you're going to take your Phillips head screwdriver, insert it into the screw carefully, make sure it's tight, and then apply pressure while unscrewing to the left. The screw is very small, so you want to be careful not to lose it. The lens should pop right out. Now, to reinstall it, you are going to need to line up all of the edges of the lens with the grooves of the frame. I would suggest putting in the bottom part, or the top part of the frame, against the edges first. It would help to secure it. Once you do so, you're going to want to hold it with one hand and apply pressure to make sure that the lens is secure. Now once you do that, you are going to take the screwdriver and press down and twist to the right. And you want to twist a lot just to make sure that it's safe and secure. And that should be it.